Today we're talking about CCM8, Unit 1, Lesson 4, Finding Perfect Cube Roots. So what is a perfect cube? It's a number that has three identical integer factors. An integer is a positive or negative whole number. So when you are given a problem and you kind of have to think what number times itself 3 times will give me this number. A cube root is shown by this symbol. It looks like a square root symbol with a little 3 on the inside, like on the inside, not this inside, but like close to it. So that symbolizes the cube root. Your calculator will find cube roots for you, but this is important to memorize some quick cube roots, some common cube roots, so that you can do your problems fast and you don't have to stop and pick up your calculator to figure it out. Vic number 1, this is your very important concept. When you take the cube root of a number, you will get one answer, either positive or negative. Back when we learned about taking square roots, we said that there was 2 answers, a positive version and a negative version. But with cube roots, there's actually only going to be one answer, positive or negative, not both. So we have some examples here. Find the cube root. So basically, what times itself 3 times gives us positive 27. The answer to that is 3. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. What about here? We have the cube root of negative 27. So it's saying what times itself 3 times will give you negative 27. That answer is actually negative 3. Because negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9, but positive 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. So that's where we get only one answer, not 2, just 1. Why don't you stop the video and try these 2 by yourself? Did you get these as your answer? Hope so. Let's evaluate using cube roots. So I've got the cube root of 27 plus 15. So my order of operations is telling me to focus in on finding the cube root of 27 first. Cube root of 27 is 3, and then we add 15 to give us an answer of 18. Okay, this is asking what's the negative cube root of 64. So I'm going to find the cube root of 64, then I'm going to multiply that by a negative 1. The cube root of 64 is 4, but it's asking for the negative answer or the opposite answer of what we got. So negative 4 is the answer here. Why don't you stop the video and try numbers 3 and 4. Did you get what I got? Hope so. Okay, this question is asking, it says you have a gift box that is a perfect cube. The volume is 8 inches cubed. How long is one side? So when we have a cube, it's a rough drawing of a cube. To find the volume, we just multiply side by side by side, which is the same as side cubed. That gives us the volume. In this case, the volume is 8. We need to undo the cubing of the side. So to undo cubing, that's the same as taking the cube root. So the cube root of 8 is 2. So one side length is 2 inches. Okay, we're all set. Hope you learned something.